So we're going to be using a measuring tape and a scissors for this. I already cut out this side and this is 14 inches. I'm going to cut out extra 7 inches. Extra 7 inches. So now I'm going to cut another 7 inches here. I'm only going to cut extra 7 inches. So now I've arranged it. Arrange it according to how long the end is going to be. So I start with the smallest parts down to the largest parts. So I'm just going to make small holes in each of this, very small holes where I'm going to put the other gem, like the lace. And I'm going to use this to punch it. So this is it. I'm going to go again. So this is it. So I'm going to make holes in each of this round down to the back. Then I'll do the same for this side as well. I'm making holes here and here, then here and here. So now that I'm done cutting it, I've added holes for each side. So I'm going to use a different jean color for the lace. I'm just going to cut this. So now we're going to join it. So this is what I'm going to do all the way around as well as this side. So once this lace has ended, I'm just going to use a needle and thread to join it together so I can continue adding the lace to it. So this is what it looks like. I've added the lace. Now I'm just going to cut here. So that when I wear my ears, this is going to cover it. So now I'm just going to do this on the other side and that would be all.